Hello and welcome to my channel, Resin Creations. I hope you are all well. Today I'll be making ripple coaster. Today's video is inspired by another video that I have seen on YouTube. I will link the original video in the description. To make these coasters, we will need plastic sheets. These sheets are from Just For You online, and I'm just taking them out. You're also gonna need a hot gun, heat gun, or some power tool that is gonna make a heat. In my case, I didn't have any big heat guns. I just said I'm gonna use a hairdryer and hope it's gonna work for me. So here I am heating up the plastic to make the ripples. In the beginning it didn't go so well for me. As you can see, I'm struggling a bit, but with time I managed to find my rhythm and I think I did all right. If you like videos about resin, consider to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell, so that way you don't miss any of my future videos. I just wanna speak a little bit about the original video. I saw this video and I fell in love with the final coaster product and thought, why not to make my own? I have seen the video. How hard could it be, right? So I bought the plastic sheets from Just For You online, and as soon they arrived, I was ready to go. And in the beginning, I thought I'm gonna make 4 coasters, because I usually make coaster sets of 4. You're gonna see in all my videos, I make coaster sets of 4. As you can see, I'm still fighting with this one, so it wasn't that easy for me to make the ripples as I saw in the video, but slowly I'm getting there. Happy with that? And you need to remove this plastic protective sheet, and then it's all good to go. Moving on to the second one. After the ripples have been achieved with the heat gun, I draw a coaster template. As you can see underneath the purple sheet, there is already sheet with a template on it. Now I'm just taping it to the table so it doesn't move. At this point, I already understood myself that I'll be able to make only 2 these coasters. And so, now you're gonna see me just try to make 2. To make borders, I'll be using iGum from Resin Pro company. This is non-toxic silicone rubber. You mix 2 equal parts together and then you can just build your borders. It's excellent to make your own coaster molds. I have done it already, and it's very durable, and I think this is a brilliant product to use if you want to make your own items. Just in case, I put my gloves on. Here I'm about to measure parts A and B because you need to have them equally, so I weigh them. For this particular coaster, I'm gonna take about 28 grams part A and 28 grams part B. This part always is so satisfying and enjoyable. You can release your stress a bit. Once it's combined and the color is unique, I'm rolling out a little dough sausage, and then I'm placing it on the plastic sheet following the template beneath. And just carry on doing it until we have a border for coaster. At this point, I notice in my head another problem that it might occur with this type of coasters. It was that the eye gum and the plastic sheet needs to have really good connection, otherwise the resin is gonna leak out. So you need to make sure that you press or push very good so there is no gaps between them, otherwise you're gonna have a trouble. So one is done. Now I'm gonna move to the other one, repeating the same procedures. I'm gonna tape plastic sheet to the table, take eye gum, mix again, two together, roll the dough and make the border. Sadly, I lost some part of video where I mix up resin and I was already adding some epoxy resin pigments from Decor Rom, blue and green, to make lovely turquoise. Here I'm just carrying on to add drop by drop. These are nice because they are quite transparent, translucent. They are tint-like and don't make your resin too opaque. Here I'm adding Chameleon Blue Violet from Just For You online, just to give it a little bit of shimmer. It is 24 hours later and I have had a disaster. As you can see, one of my coasters leaked. It wasn't connected well enough with the paper and all the resin escaped. So instead of making two coasters, I end up with just one. Now we're gonna move to the pleasant part, the unmolding. It's not that easy as I have resin everywhere and it's all hard. So I need to use my scissors to just get the plastic sheet. Resin everywhere. Before remove the coaster, I decided to make a border with a felt tip just in case I would want to make one in future again. And here we have it. It's out. And wow, I must say it is beautiful. I love it. It's one of the best creations I made. I'm so happy. It looks very similar to the one in original video. And I am over the moon. Just a shame for the other one. But at least I got one. In this part of video, I'm gonna top coat it. I decide to do that to make it even more pop. I put on other side latex to protect it from the drips. And I'm using Vista Coaty resin for my top coating. And here is the ready, beautiful coaster. I love it a lot. In conclusion, I must say, this project was quite challenging for me, and as you saw, it didn't go 100% how I planned, but I'm happy I'm done it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating. Bye!